In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix to Mailchimp. If you want to link your website with your email marketing platform so your contacts and audience data can stay in sync. This process is pretty straightforward. I will walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the Integrations section. Depending on the version of the interface you see, this may appear in the main menu on the left side, or it may be located under a Discover tab. The layout can vary slightly, so just take a moment to find the area where Mailchimp lists available app connections. After you open Integrations, use the search bar to look for Wix. When the Wix option appears, click on the Wix tile to open the integration page. This is where Mailchimp gives you a quick overview of what the connection can do and how the platforms work together. Next, click Connect, and then choose Continue when the pop-up window appears. This will begin the linking process between the two services. At this point, you will be prompted to log in to your Wix account. Enter your login details and continue to the next screen. Once you are signed in, choose the specific Wix website you want to connect to Mailchimp. This is especially important if you manage more than one site because you will want to make sure you are syncing the correct one. After selecting the site, review the permissions being requested. These permissions allow Mailchimp and Wix to exchange the information needed for the integration to function properly. When you are ready, click Agree and Add to confirm the connection. From there, you will be taken to the final setup screens where you can complete your audience and synchronization settings. This step lets you control how your contact information is handled and which audience in Mailchimp will receive the synced data. Take a moment here to review everything carefully so the setup matches the way you want your marketing workflow to operate. Once those settings are configured, click Save and Sync Now. That will activate the integration and start the synchronization process between Wix and Mailchimp. Depending on your account and the amount of data involved, the sync may take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.